how most people enter enchanted worlds through the pages of a book. Those who visit in person, whether it be through a rabbit hole or they often find the way in to be quite magical, and sometimes maybe even a little bit frightening. But it's okay, folks, don't worry. I know it kind of looks like we're being swallowed by monsters, but we're actually being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. Now, of course, our story begins with a once upon a time, and in this case, a big bad wolf lives in the cave on your left-hand side. He's always after the three little pigs. Across the canal, right in there, three houses, one made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of 100% wolf-proof bricks. But our story takes a strange turn. Just around the corner on your left-hand side is the quaint English village, the home of Alice. For one golden afternoon, she chased a white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, 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 all the way to Wonderland. Storybook Land is full of fantastic places created to inspire storytellers. Places like London Park, right inside where Peter Pan, Wendy, Michael, and John Darling first flew on their way to Neverland, and places like Agrabah, the city of mystery and enchantment. This is where street rat Aladdin first bucked into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. And even though the two are from different worlds, thanks to the power of love and smell from the genie, of course, they're now married, live in the Sultan's palace. There's magic all throughout Storybook Land, even in the miniature plants. Even in the archways above us, the very same archways that Princess Jasmine and Aladdin flew over sideways and under, a magic carpet ride to a whole new world. While good stories have moments of love and light, they also have dark places, places like the Cave of Wonders, straight ahead. Treasure bears a curse that can only be lifted by the genie of the lamp. And legend has it, whoever rubs the lamp will be granted 3 wishes. Snow White wished for a safe place, but she fled the evil queen. And she came across this cozy forest cottage on your right-hand side, the home of the 7 dwarves, who offered her shelter in return for her kindness. If you listen real close, you could even hear the dwarves singing, whistling in their mind. Wishes are a powerful part of storybooks. Like Cinderella's wish to attend the ball. The fairy godmother granted that wish, but when Cinderella didn't return home by midnight, her carriage turned into a pumpkin. You can actually still see it up on the bridge, right over there. But unlike magic, love has no limits. And thanks to that, Cinderella now lives in the castle atop the mountain, Prince Charming. Dreams can come true, folks. And like wishes, they inspire our stories here. Whether it's a dream of happily ever after, or simply dozing off on a hill of quilted flowers, much like the one steered left. Inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony short, Lullaby Land. No wonder Storybook Land was a favorite and master storyteller Walt Disney, and it continues to inspire stories even today. Stories like The Wind in the Willows, with a Molly Rat and Mr. Toad, who live in the stately manor up on the left-hand side. But we're not going to be seeing any of Mr. Toad today. He's off on a wild ride over in Fantasyland. Beyond that, if you haven't seen it yet, this is Arendelle, with its castle at bay, its ship at anchor, and of course Elsa's icy palace in the snow-covered mountains. This is where sisters Anna and Elsa first met their Frozen. Olaf, Kristoff, and Sven. They discovered something even more powerful than Elsa's magic, the power of love. And if you take a look on your right, you'll see the Alpine Village. This is the home of the woodcarver, Geppetto, who wished upon a star that his puppet would become a real boy. And Pinocchio saved him from the belly of the whale. The blue fairy granted his wish. Geppetto's wish was like so many wishes made in fairy tales, like that of Little Mermaid, Ariel. She decided to follow Prince Eric to his castle, take her first steps on an unsteady way, and eventually even become a part of our world. Ariel's journey first started in the underwater city of Atlantica. On her left-hand side, also the home of King Triton. And Ariel's journey ended with a happily ever after. Alright folks, that concludes the last chapter of our story here. As we approach the dock, I just need to remind everyone to remain seated. Let's make sure we keep our hands, arms, and our fingers inside the boat, especially on this left side right here. We're about to rush up against the dock.